Namaste friends, welcome you all in our channel Long Live Homeopathy Kolkata. It's a awareness channel to spread homeopathy worldwide so that the people can understand that homeopathy treats all the problems and all the diseases whatsoever. Today we will talk about the exostosis. Exostosis is a benign non-cancerous bony growth that develops on the surface of an existing bone. It is commonly referred to as a bone spur. Exostosis is an abnormal outgrowth of bone, often covered with cartilage. It can occur in various parts of the body, especially skull, leg bone, ear canal, long bones or jaw. So friends, let us know the causes. Causes are repeated irritation or trauma, genetic conditions, chronic inflammation, and environmental exposure like cold water in ear canal. Signs and symptoms are very simple, you can understand very well. Many cases are asymptomatic, but when symptoms occurs, then hard bone swelling, pain, if pressing on nerves or tissues, restricted movement if near joints or in heel, hearing loss in ear exostosis, cosmetic deformity. Pathophysiology I will describe in brief. Excessive bone formation due to periosteal bone stimulation. Cartilage cap forms, gradually ossifies into mature bone. In hereditary cases, mutation affects bone growth regulation. Some diagnostic tests is most essential. If possible, you can do for clarification, like X-ray or CT scan. MRI of soft tissues involvement suspected. Now we are coming to homeopathic approach. In homeopathic treatment is individualized based on totality of symptoms. And I will tell you only indication red line symptoms. This is not enough. So if you are having any problem, please consult a homeopathic doctor nearby your house or your city. Commonly indicated remedies are Calcarea florica, hard stony growth, bony enlargement with firmness, then Calcarea Calcarea 4 200C can be given twice daily. Or you can do one thing, take half liter of water, put 1 or 2 drops in the water and stroke the bottle 70 to 80 times. And you just take it sip by sip 3 to 4 times a day and finish before sleep. Friends, I am not telling, this is written in Origin of Medicine, the philosophy of homeopathy. Second medicine is Silesia. In Silesia, slow growing exostosis associated with suppuration or weakness. So Salica also you can take in 200 potency, 2 drops in half liter of water and you stroke it 70 to 80 times on your pillow. Third medicine is Rutagraveolens. It's a very top remedy. Bony pain with injury, periosteal irritation is always present. So Rutagraveolens is very important medicine. You can take it in 30 potency. The same process. Symphytum officinalis, bone related issues after injury, abnormal growth. So symphytum is one of the top ranked remedy. Phosphorus. Phosphorus is a remedy which is useful for bone weakness. With the overgrowth tendency, you can take it also in 200 potency, 2 drops in half liter of water. Take it sip by sip. Before sleep, just finish it. Then one important medicine, that is Hekla lava. Classic remedy for bony tumors and exostosis, especially jaw. Friends, some important information: sudden growth, severe pain or irregular shape needs evaluation to rule out malignancy. Always correlate clinically before prescribing any medicine. Friends, my suggestion is always consult a physician nearby. If you are having any problem, you can comment me in my comment box. Thank you. Long live homeopathy, long live Hahnemann.